In this video, I will be disassembling this 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class LED headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I will start by removing the cooling fan. There are 3 T20 screws and 1 IPR20. Next, I will cut off the rest of the lens. I've cut the lens from the light. I will start by removing the T20 screws holding on the bezels. There are screws on the rear of the light that are holding the bezel in place. Next, I'll remove the 2 IPR20 screws holding on the low beam reflector. Next, I'll remove the T20 screws holding in the high beam reflector. Now the main bezel can be removed. There are 2 T10 screws holding on this lower LED board. The housing is now empty. There are 2 T10 screws holding this together. There's 1 T10 screw holding the LED board to the bracket. There's a T25 torque screw holding the drive unit in place. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here's the lower LED light board. Here's the LED board from the upper shroud. Here's the main low beam drive unit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.